Hey everyone, it's your girl Paris and welcome to my channel, or welcome to Paris, and happy Friday. I got off a few hours early from work today, and of course I had to make content for my YouTube channel. If you cannot tell already, I am in my bedroom because I am going to be sharing with you all another revamp of my bedding decor. I was thinking, how can I spruce up my bedding decor? I like changing things. I like playing around with different colors. So I will make sure to have my previous bedding decor videos linked down below in the description box because they are really good videos for you to feel inspired, get creative, and I really do like my bedding decor in those two videos. Make sure you check it out. We are currently in the summer. It is blazing hot outside, and I want to just revamp my bedding decor. Of course, I love my green. I love just the textures and different pops of color that I have on my bed right now. But I was like, I want to do something a bit different, get inspired by going on Pinterest, going on Google, and I wanted to get inspired by high-end luxury hotel bedding decor. I found what I was looking for. I recently went to TJ Maxx and I purchased what I love, and it's an all white bed set. You all will see very shortly in today's video. Stick around because we are tearing, not literally tearing. So we are going to be taking this current bedding decor up. We're going to be folding it, placing it in the closet for another season because right now it's a hot girl summer and I am going to be changing my bedding decor to all white. Can't wait. I hope you all stick around. All right. So right now I'm going to be removing these current pillows from the bed and I'm going to store them in my closet. But keep in mind, if you have pillow shams, you can always use current pillows that you have to fill your pillow sham. So for example, I mentioned this previously in my video. This is a pillow sham, this pillow right here, and we just stuffed it with a lot of pillows, if that makes sense. So make sure that you check out that video. This particular one came from Wayfair. Plenty of stores that offer pillow shams. So I just wanted to show you all that. Really helpful tip. And let's get started. So to make sure that you stay organized, you just want to make sure that you fold up your stuff, take care of it. You know, we pay a lot of money for our decor items, for our bedding. You know, you just want to appreciate the items that you are blessed to purchase and have in your home. So I plan on keeping this quilt set for a very long time. And I probably will need my mother's help because I don't like the way it's looking. So you want to step on in, Mom, and help me fold it? Right now we are down to removing the bedding sheets, and we are going to just take them off because I'm going to throw those in the washer right now. What I'm doing right now is just making sure that my new sheet set is nicely tucked. I love everything being nice and tucked, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, I have my new sheet set on my bed. Well, technically it's not new, it was in my closet, but yeah, it's a nice fresh sheet set for my new bed. Alright, so here is my new white comforter set. Super excited to put this on my bed and to show you all how I put it all together and decorate it. Okay, so before we open this bad boy up, I'm going to just read the description of what is included. Please don't mind, I am a bit blind, so I am going to put it up a bit closer so I can see it. But it comes with 1 comforter, 2 pillow shams, 2 Euro shams, 3 decorative cushion pillows. So you know what I just realized? The green quilt set that I had on my bed, I can store it in this right here. It's like a bag. So let's go ahead and open her up. And it has like a button to secure everything. I really do like that. So as you can see, I just popped it open. And make sure your hands are clean because we are dealing with white, and white shows every little detail, as we all know. We have a decorative pillow right here. Here is another decorative pillow. As you can see, just coming in a little closer, the texture is the same texture as this bigger pillow right here, but the only difference is that it has more texture right in the middle, and on the sides it's more plain, as you can see. So nice little touch. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with this pillow. We may just leave it as is, but we're not sure yet. Just a plain white pillow. And here we have the beautiful pillow shams. Very long, very big and spacious, so I do like that. For me, I like to stuff my pillow shams pretty firm. When the pillow shams are filled and they're pretty firm, it just helps with your pillows remaining up front when you style your bed. So there's 1, and then here's the second one. So far, let's just make sure we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the comforter itself makes 8. And here are the plain all white pillow shams. I mean, everything is all white, but this one just doesn't have any like texture as you saw in the other pillow sham. Okay, so right now I'm just going to finish laying out the comforter set. As you can see, this part is pretty much done, and then I'm just gonna touch up this side right here. So come a bit closer so I can show you what I'm doing. So I'm just pulling the comforter pretty tight just by doing this motion right here. As you can see, it looks pretty good so far. I like my comforter set to be a bit tucked, not all the way tucked. So what I'll do is just tuck it a bit like that. And I like tucking the comforter set because it's just going to give it that more polished and very luxe look. It's really neat. And I'm just going to tuck it like so. Right. And do you see the difference literally from having it tucked compared to untucked? So just keep that in mind. To each his own. I know everybody has their own preference, but this is my personal preference. So as you can see, we're all set and ready to go. I have pillows galore. Check out all these pillows. No worries, I'm going to show you how to style these pillows really quickly. So let's start with our first layer of pillows right here. These are our 2 Eurosham pillows right here, okay? So basically Eurosham is just a bigger pillow sham than your standard size, if that makes sense. So you can see how large it is. And I think I showed you all previously what we stuffed the Eurosham with. We stuffed it with my green pillow. First layer of pillows looks really good. Of course, we're not finished yet. Now we have our next layer of pillows, and we have these 2 just regular pillow shams. And literally, again, same method. We have the opening in the back of the pillow sham, and you're just going to place a pillow in the sham. I really do like these. These are going to be considered my sleeping pillow. Now, just a tip for you all. If you are afraid that you may get the white dirty, feel free to take the pillow sham off and sleep on your regular pillow or your pillowcase. And that's probably what I'll do too. So here is our second layer of pillows. When you're at hotels have a way of making things look so inviting. And what I'm sharing in this video is probably the practices and tips that they perform. You just want everything to look nice and white, nice and clean, clean cut lines. Like I mentioned before, everything is nicely tucked. And it just looks so aligned and uniform. And for the most part, hotels stick with one color palette with their bedding decor. So obviously all white for this particular one. We are going to grab our third layer of pillows. Now keep in mind, you can probably tell this is in the white family, but it has more so of a cream texture to this pillow right here. Fun fact, again, this is another pillow sham. If I can just find the zipper. So you know you have a really good pillow sham when it's hard to actually find the opening. Like, where is it? So for this particular one, it is right here. And I am going to just open that up once again. We have a pillow stuffed within. You would never know. Close that back up. And for this particular pillow sham is beautiful. Look at the different textures and patterns. It's more like a ribbon effect. More so of an off-white, but that's okay. Just gonna lay that right there. Just not straight up, but it's just gonna lay flat, like so. So one of my favorite things to do when I'm decorating my bed is for my pillows to match. And when I say match, I like to have 2 of everything for the most part. So I have 2 of the Euroshams, 2 of the standard pillow shams that I sleep on. I have the same 2 pillow shams right here. I just think that it looks, you know, coordinated. I'm a stickler on it looking a certain way. So that's just me. Heading down to the last few pillows, but let me just mention that the comforter has the same texture as this pillow sham, as well as the sleeping pillow sham. I'm pretty sure you all saw that earlier. And for my last layer of pillows, I am just going to just keep them in rows of 2. So, or maybe I'll put this one on that side. And finally for this pillow right here, gorgeous. And I'm gonna put that one right here. Have the pillows at a slight angle. Just make sure everything's in the middle. Alright, so we have our all white look coming together for that upscale hotel vibe. And last but not least, I am just going to refurbish my cream colored blanket. I'm not necessarily going to place it on my bed because I just want this to look the way it is, like a nice clean cut polished look. But what I'm going to do is just throw it across the footboard of my bed. You just want to grab it like so, no particular way, and you're just going to go like this. I hope you all, as always, was inspired by my video and enjoyed watching today's video. Just keep in mind that bedding decor is super simple. Just know exactly what type of style and vibe and aesthetic you are going for. So keep in mind that it can be done on a very moderate budget. And like I said earlier, I'm just so grateful and appreciate everything that I am able to purchase for my home. And I hope you have that same mindset and attitude about things that you purchase. Just remember to be grateful and thankful for all that you have. And of course, more blessings and more opportunities will come to you. If you have any further questions about bedding decor or decor in general, please let me know. Always, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I love my bed. Of course, I'm not gonna like fall into the bed because I have makeup on. We have to keep this white set really, really clean. But I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all in the very next video. Bye. I'm out.